Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel, Math and Stuff with by Samson Paul. And as promised in the last video, I'm going to solve in this video chain rule for complex functions. Complex functions in the sense functions, not complex numbers, not numbers which are complex in nature. They're still real numbers, but functions which have more than two functions. Okay, we'll solve three examples, and in the last example I will also tell you how to use the product rule in the complex functions. Okay, and for the first two I'm going to repeat the two methods I taught in the last video, and we are going to do review by review, step by step, that video and that those methods. And in for the last one we'll do it a bit differently. All right, so let us start now. Okay, let us start with the first problem. Y is equal to root of sine 7x plus log 5x. Okay, now for sure we know there are more than one functions. Root is one function, sine is one function, and log is one more function, so definitely there are more than one function. So you can start with here t is equal to so let us do first the direct method. Before we go into the substitution, I would like to do the direct method. So y dy by dx, the outermost function is the root function, and as we have seen, the differentiation of 1 by root of something. So imagine this is root of x or root of u. The root of something is nothing but 1 by 2 root sine 7x plus log of 5x. So the formula for root x, differentiation formula for root x, okay, is 1 by 2 root x. Okay, I directly use this formula, and imagine this term as u. Okay, imagine this term as u. Okay, now then it is nothing but differentiation of dy by dx of sine, the inside function sine, okay, 7x plus log of 5x. Okay, log of 5x. dy by dx is equal to 1 by, I will write the same here, 2 root sine 7x plus log 5x. Okay, and d by dx of sin x is cos of 7x plus log 5x, okay, into d by dx of 7x plus log 5x. Okay, 7x plus log 5x. We will further simplify this. Okay, let me bring it in one screen and make it write a little bit smaller. You guys are probably going to hate me for writing so big, but I mean, hate is a strong word. Let us use dislike me for writing so big, but let me try to write small as possible. But I don't think if I write more smaller, I don't think it would be visible on your screen. So that's the reason I'm trying to write as large as possible. Okay, so 2 root sine of 7x plus log 5x, okay, multiplied by d by dx of this function. So d by dx of this function is d by dx of 7x plus d by dx of log 5x. So that is nothing but d by dx of 7x is nothing but 7 plus log 5x. Now this is a very crucial step. Should you write log 5x into differentiation of 5x, or should you write log 5x into differentiation of 5x? Should the bracket be here or should the bracket be here? What do you guys think? Okay, so I will tell you. Okay, I will solve this problem here. So if you did not have 7, the answer of log 5x would be 1 by 5x into differentiation of 5x. So it would be nothing but differentiation of 5x, which would be nothing but x by 5x, which would be nothing but 1 by 5. So it would be wrong to write log of 5x, okay, into differentiation of 5x, because this term doesn't multiply to both of them. Okay, because here you use sum rule. Okay, this term doesn't multiply to both of them. So what will be the differentiation? It's pretty simple. All you have to do is just apply the sum rule and apply that here. That is 7 plus differentiation of log x is 1 by 5x plus differentiation of 5x is d by dx of 5x. Okay, going further, the next step would be dy by dx is cos 7x plus log 5x by 2 root sine 7x plus log of 5x into 7 plus, now here differentiation of 5x is just as you have done here, it is 5, sorry, yeah, it is 5 would get cancelled and you'll get 1 by x. Okay, so you can leave it at that here. You can simplify if you want. You can take the 7x here and take it as 7x plus 1 and take the x down here and write it like this. You can even write it like this: 7x plus 1 into, probably write the x that is there here, 2x, still right. Okay, so this is the direct method. Now I am strongly discouraged to solve the substitution method, but in order to, for your understanding, I will do the substitution method for this problem. Even though it is much difficult, let us do it for this problem, because that's where the understanding begins, right? So if you have, now this is a good transition for you to transition from substitution method to probably the direct method. Okay, it's a good time for you to, like, if you have been following my videos, it's a good time for you to do that, right? Now let us take functions one by one. Okay, I'll use some different color. Let me use green. T equal to sine 7x plus log 5x. Okay, u equal to 7x plus log 5x. Am I right? Okay, I'm only going to substitute one more function, log of 5x, right? It's not log 5 into x, it is log of 5x. Okay, and I'm only going to use one more function, let us say v equal to log 5x. Okay, so first we start with y is equal to root t. Okay, and I will transfer this here so that you are in par with me. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 root t, okay, into dt by dx. Okay, now I have to find out dt by dx. For that I will differentiate this term here. Okay, that is nothing but, okay, I have to differentiate this term here, but before differentiating that term I have to differentiate this term, and before differentiating that term I have to differentiate this term. Okay, so first let me find out dv by dx. That is nothing but 1 by 5x into differentiation of 5x, that is 5. So 5 will get differentiation of 5x is 5, so 5 will get cancelled and you'll get 1 by x. Okay, so dv by dx equal to 1 by x. Then let me go to u. Okay, so u is nothing but 7x plus v. Okay, because v is substituted here, so du by dx, sorry, du by dv is, okay, of course you have to differentiate with respect to x also, that you keep it as it is, 7 plus dv by dx. Okay, technically you have to take this whole term as kind of, I would say you have to take this whole term as kind of v, but let's not do that. It'll simply complicate our process. So I've just differentiated with respect to x, because there is an addition sign, it will not change the answer. You get 7 plus 1x, that is nothing but 7x plus 1 by x. Okay, so du by dv for me now is 7x plus 1 by x, right? Now u in turn goes here, right? So my next function is t is equal to sine u, right? T is equal to sine u, and that is nothing but dt by dx is equal to sine, differentiation of sine is cos x into du by, let me see, yeah, du by, it is in terms of wait, so I've done it with terms of v, so I'm substituting with terms of x, and I am getting it in terms of x, so it will be cos x, okay, cos x, cos u, not x, cos u multiplied by this term. Okay, cos u multiplied by this term. Okay, so then next term, it is nothing but du by dv. Okay, so I have made your work a little bit easier there. Okay, technically you would have to do a lot of stuff, and this would come out to be du by dx ultimately. That is nothing but dv by dx and all stuff like that. So I have made your work a little bit easy. So du by so this goes here. Okay, this goes dt by dx in place of dt by dx. So dy by dx is equal to cos u divided by 2 root u into 7x plus 1 by x, and if I were to substitute everything back, I would get dy by dx is equal to cos of u, my u is 7x plus log 5 x by 2 root sine 7x plus 5 of 7x for log 5x, okay, multiplied by 7x plus 1 by x. Okay, I think it's pretty much same as the previous answer you have got. Okay, it's pretty same as the previous answer you've got here. Okay, so I've just taken the cos x here, and that's what you have got. X I've substituted here, the x I have moved it here. Okay, but I find this process very cumbersome, so I urge this substitution business to be done in the beginning, then we can directly go with this function, because you see this function is not that complicated at all, and you can get the answer pretty quickly. Even though it is too huge to write, it is less confusion inducing. Okay, on that note, I will let you, I told you I will solve in the beginning of the video, I told that I'll solve this problem, but I think this problem is very simpler than the other problem, because differentiation of ln is nothing but 1 by ln. So you'll get 4 by ln, then next will be another ln 1 by ln, so it will be very easy to solve. So I think you should give this a try yourself. I think it is pretty much easier to solve. Okay, so let us go to the third problem, which is a very important problem as far as learning differentiation is concerned. Okay, so let me just copy it and let me pan and go to a new place. Let me go here, let me just say okay, let me go here and let me just say here, and I will use a different ink. Okay, so this is an important problem. You see, there is no way to solve this problem because the power is 10. If the power is 2 or 3, I'm sure most of you would have avoided the chain rule by multiplying. However, I would have preferred that you follow the chain rule, but most of you would have avoided this by just kind of not solving chain rule at all. However, in this video, what I'm going to show you again is that I'm going to show you to solve by two methods again. Okay, that is direct method, okay, and substitution method. Okay, to be frank with you, both these methods are pretty same, it's just fancy names, that's all. Alright, both these methods are pretty same, but they are just fancy names. So dy by dx, first the direct method, let us call it as dm. Okay, all are my abbreviations, so nobody will, you will find it nowhere, but let us call it as the let us do the direct method first, and let me take this, let me apply the uv rule. This is u, this is v, right? This is u, this is v. So I am not going to write the formula, I'll just practice this. 8x plus 4 into dv by dx, that is 10 3x square plus 6x into differentiation of 3x square plus 6x. Okay, differentiation of 3x square plus 6x, that is a direct, I'm following the direct method here without even writing the differentiation, so that you guys know how to do it, into differentiation of this term, that is nothing but 3 2s are 6x plus differentiation of 6x is 1, so 6x is 6 and differentiation of x is 1. Okay, plus this term 3x square plus 6x to the power of 10 divided by differentiation of this, that is 8x plus differentiation of 8x plus 4 is 8, and we are done. Here I missed a 9, I'm sorry. Okay, 10x square plus 6x to the power of 9 by differentiation of this, that is 6x plus 6 by difference by different I have already missed one more here. I have to differentiate 6x plus 6, and that is just 6. Okay, I have missed that term here. 6x plus 6 I have to differentiate again, and that is 6. It is good that we reviewed it. So 6x plus 6 is 6, and here just the second function into differentiation of 8x 4 is directly 8. Okay, that is the answer. Now if you were to follow the second substitution method where you used to use 8x plus 4, you would get du by dx as 8, right? Du by dx as 8. Let us use v equal to I'm sorry, v equal to, let me pan this for a while. Okay, v equal to 3x square, use this, v equal to 3x square plus 6x to the power of 10. Okay, let me pan this again. Okay, if I were to solve this, then I take, what do I do? I can take t as 3x square plus 6x. Okay, I think that should suffice. So what I'll do is I'll write dv by dx is nothing but dv by dt into dt by dx. Okay, so my v is t power 10 and my t is 3x square plus 6x. Okay, and my y, okay, also let me quickly solve dv by dt, that is 10 into t power 9, and dt by dx is 6x plus 6. Okay, into differentiation of 6x plus 6 is again 6. Okay, there is a function hidden here, don't forget to differentiate that too. Okay, now let us solve this problem. Okay, let me invoke the product rule. Okay, so I get dy by dx is equal to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Okay, I have my u directly 8x plus 4, right? Is it 8x plus 4? Yes, it's 8x plus 4, and dv by dx I have it in terms of dv by dt and dt by dx, so it is nothing but this multiplied by this. Okay, so 10 t to the power of 9 multiplied by 6 x plus 6 into 6, okay, plus v, I have my v here, 3x square plus 6x to the power of 10 into v into d u by dx, and du by dx is nothing but 8. Okay, but mind you that there is still a t here, and that t should be substituted 8x plus 4 and into 10, I think it is 3x square plus 6x to the power of 9 into 6x plus 6. Okay, let me just, yeah, 6x to the power of 6, you can into 6, let me just multiply that 6 here and make it 60, plus 8 into 3x square plus 6x to the power 10. That's all. That is dy by dx. Again, both will be same answers if you quite verify. Okay, so I hope you understood this procedure. This is complex chain rule. Please let me know if you want me to solve more problems. Put your problems in the comments and I will be happy to solve them in the future videos. Please uh, put any kind of problems related to mathematics that you want me to solve. I can also solve heat transfer problems related to engineering, thermodynamic problems related to engineering, so and also engineering mathematics and vector calculus. So please put your problems in my comments and I'll be happy to solve them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.